Hi YouTube! Sorry I didn't post anything yesterday. Got a busy day. I went and looked at a new car, which I'm driving right now. Still hands-free. Always be safe out there. You never know what could happen. So, play nice, be safe, drive carefully, watch out for other drivers. And since school started, watch out for kids, please. Very important. So like I said, got a new car. Nice little Mazda. Really nice van, finally, for a growing family. Always need your space. We finally got some rain. It stopped a little bit though, but we got some much needed rain. Hopefully that helps our firefighters control these fires here in Oregon. Terrible out there. I'd love to hear about your guys' fun activities. Speaking of activities, I got some fun ones coming up for you guys here in the next couple of days. Like I said, I want to try to post twice a week on fun activities for you and your kiddos. If you have any questions about anything whatsoever, please like and comment on my posts. If you do like my post, tell me what you like about it. Tell me what I need to improve on, what you would like to see done. I would love to hear from you guys. Anything that'll make you want to watch it, make you tell your friends about it. Say, hey, subscribe to this chick. She's funny, she's quirky, she has great ideas for your kids. Make memories. All very, very important things. As our lovely children grow up big and strong and so fast. I have two little ones. I have a 2-year-old girl named Trinity, as you guys have met, and a 2-month-old baby boy. He's 2 months old today. Oh my gosh, time flying by. Oh. Anyways, how many kiddos do you guys have? Tell me about them. Let me know. Let me know about their interests. I can find some very cool activities for you guys to do together, or tell me about your interests, and maybe we can come up with a video and make it fun for everyone to enjoy. Or if not, just like, subscribe, comment, say, hey, chill out, dude. Area, some more paint supplies. Oh, there's some toys and clothes for my kids. Trin, say hi.
Hi.
Ethan, sister-in-law's holding him. Trying to find more activities for you guys to enjoy and watch and have fun with. See what else we can find. Turn.
Hi.
When you go to the store for just a couple items, some games, Bop It original but mini, yarn, of course clothes. But what to choose from all these games? Family. What are you doing? Say hi.
Mommy.
Say hi.
Mommy.
Say hi.
Mommy.
Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
Mommy.
Yes.
Mommy.
Yes. Yeah.
What do? What do?
Oh, you look so tired.
What do?
Why'd you skip your nap?
What do?
Oh, my baby.
What do?
We'll be going home very soon.
How much? Cute. Cute.
What other game should we get? These aren't stickers. Okay, let's look at some more games.
More games.
Yeah, more games. Trinity, what'd you find? Can you say Hotel Transylvania?
I found.
Don't open it. We can watch that when we get home, okay? Yeah, those are for later. Those are for your potty training. Still here, waiting. Alright, well, I'm gonna go home. Drive safe out there, guys. Always use hand-free devices, and please watch out for other drivers, motorcyclists. Very important, as I've said multiple times now. Until next time, I will see you later. Bye!